All right, scrappers, welcome back to the channel. Just a little quick video for you today. I guess this is what happens when ding-dongs try to break into your building. They think if they get into the keypad, they can push a button or something and open the damn door. I don't know. Maybe that's what drugs do to you. But anyways, it's cast aluminum, so we'll try to liberate that aluminum from this plastic and junk in there, and we'll... All right, I'm back. The battery died on the GoPro, and yeah. So we were talking about these screws to get them out of there because you can't get anything in there to unscrew them. So I'm just gonna cut them off. See what that does. Watch your ears. Boy, they really got this thing boogered up. Is that gonna come off of there now? All right, there we go. We got a little plastic junk. Looks like we're gonna have some cast aluminum if we can get it out of here. What does this screw do? What does this screw do? It's like long, like goes to China. That must open up somehow. Was that the screw that holds that thing? Wasn't that the stupidest thing? It appears like it should open up. Is that maybe a pin in there? I wonder if I cut those pins, if that would that take it out? Oh, there, we broke a piece off. That looks like it's all cast aluminum. Where's old Sticky? There he is. Sticking around, doing his job. Okay, yeah, that's cast aluminum. Put that in a cast aluminum bucket. Right over there, small cast aluminum bucket. All right, let's just try it. Let's try to cut them pins in there and see what that does. Okay, I think that might have done something. Kind of acted like it wanted to. Come on, you can do it. If we take the hammer fork to it. Huh. So we got that pin out of there. What's holding this top part? Is it those things? I bet you now we're supposed to put a screwdriver down through that right there, through that hole, and unscrew that. But I don't know if I have one that's small enough to get down there. Boy, they sure put this thing together weird. That little thing right there, I think, is what's holding it. How does that come out of there? I took a screw out of it. Oh, there we go. There, some clean cast there. Put that in a little clean cast bucket. All right, and then we got these screws. Should I do that? Should I do it with the screw gun so we save time and money and all that fun stuff? Okay, we got a little plate here. Oh, that's steel. Got these buttons in here. The buttons, are they gonna come out? There. There's all the little buttons. I bet you that's stainless. Can we break that out of there? It's just got these little tabs right there. Oh, is that stainless? No, that's sticky too. Sticky. Not like the little sticky guy that tells us what metal is though. Look at all the little springs in there. We got a bunch of springs. We'll just throw them all in shred. Except for the ones that bounced on the floor. Yeah. All right, let's... One button don't want to come out of there. They smashed that one, that's why. What did they think they were going to have happen by smashing that? Really? Come on. Yeah, now I got the old screwdriver stuck in it. Ha ha! There. All right. Was that steel? No, that's cast too. Huh. Should we see how much the damn thing weighed? See, there's the battery that died. Trying these new batteries are from a third party. They're not from GoPro. All right, I'm gonna grab that other stuff out of there and we'll put this in the... We'll throw it all on a scale and see what the heck it weighed. That piece. Where'd the other pieces go? And that piece. I don't think that piece, no. So we got this, this, and this. 12 ounces, 14 ounces. 1 pound, 2 ounces of cast out of that stupid little thing, and a little bit of shred. So be sure to like the video, share it out, make a comment. That really helps. I watched a video on YouTube and it says it's one of the biggest things, other than clicking on a video at the end, that helps a channel grow. So yeah, do all of those things and watch another one of my crazy silly videos now.